Hey guys, so welcome to the next episode. I saw that you guys loved so much the condo tour, so I wanted to share with you guys today one of my favorite spaces at the house. It is the clean kitchen. So when it was pandemic, I am always here. I was always here. So, I was cooking. Yes, it wasn't good, Eric. Pero still, the effort. I love tablescapes. I don't know, I just love kitchen things. Like glasses, plates, cutleries. Sobrang hilig ko mag-collect. And piece by piece, buying from each store, from different countries. I just like doing that. So I was always here, and I wanted to share with you guys a little bit about our kitchen and our mini renovation. So when we moved here, we renovated from Eric's old house, and this was actually a dining room before. And then we moved it, we changed it, we renovated it into the clean kitchen. So we wanted something different, not the very classic minimalist or very white, very clean. As you can see, it's a little dark because Eric and I are, night owls, pero we do like moody and we like very intricate designs. Like, as you can see, the wallpaper also very funky. And the ceiling, look, it's actually dark gray. So we wanted it to match the walls. Okay, let's go and do the tour. All our appliances are from Smeg. Ooh, muntik na. What I super love about this is, as you can see, wala kaming exhaust. Because again, this was a formal dining. It wasn't meant for kitchen. So, this Meg, wait lang. Ta-da! Okay, 7 years ago, konti pa lang yung may ganyan. Pero ngayon, I think a lot of kitchen already have that. But I was so excited to do this because it felt like, those TV from a hotel na lumalabas. Yun. And then I would cook here, so it's an induction cooker. And then you can actually control the strength of the exhaust. Because we usually cook steak. Yes, steak lang yung kaya ko. Steak and eggs. So yun yung malakas yung usok. Kaya we need that. So this is super my favorite. And then this cabinet is from Mobile House. It is a local supplier from Cebu. So this is actually a hidden door for our ref. So the ref is also from Smeg. So there's a ref and the freezer. Okay, so mukha kaming alcoholic. But we are not. We are not, despite the image. We are not. Our real ref is in the dirty kitchen. This is our clean kitchen. So this is where we put our beer, for hosting. We don't actually drink a lot. Contrary. But when we love to host. So when we host, we really have to have some beers and some spirits as well. So there. And then these are all storage spaces now. So the way you open them is it's a soft push. So all my hosting things are here. This is a steamer oven. Parang steamer. I know it's a steamer. We barely use it actually because we have so many things at the dirty kitchen already. And then we have a microwave here because Eric likes hot food. So, kailangan parating iniinit yung food pa rin niya. Even if it's been there and cooked and it's waiting for him. So, he needs to have that. And what I love about, these are my glasses. So, as you can see, I really have a collection. It's my thing. I really like collecting, nice. This is from our wedding gift pa. nice glasses. Kailangan pa that, ayan, terno-terno. Para cute. But now I kind of like to mix and match. This is from my Nest Genie business before. So I think ang nangyari sa Nest Genie, I was the best customer, the #1 customer. I ended up buying everything there. So yeah, this is the terno. And of course, I love the Bodum double wall glasses for hot water or cold so that wala siyang, ano yan yung moist na lumalabas here. And then, what else? Well, I have more, things. So, like, coasters. I love buying coasters abroad. So, this I got from Zara Home. And in our next trip, I want to buy another one. So, one tip is, when you buy, so I have a table of 10 to 12, I buy for 20. Kasi pag nabasag ng anak mo or ng yaya, mahirap bumili ulit if it's abroad. So I always buy extra. Even for plates, that's what I do. So I also have these kind of coasters. I forgot na where I got it. But I got this done locally lang. So these are the basic coasters that we use for mga bisita, when we have guests coming. And okay, these are my most expensive plate set. So I think this is Noritake. I got this as a birthday gift, wedding gift from I think a ninang or a ninong. It's a full set, like, it comes with the teapots. Oh my gosh, sobrang cute ng teapots. These are my favorite. Like, ganyan. And then you get these tiny, lalagyan na ng cream or sugar. Sobrang cute. Wala naman nagbi-milk actually, but so cute. And then I also have my Hermes collections. Yeah. So I'm collecting this. I'm buying it slowly. Like, so I got 2 pa lang. I got the teapot. Eventually, we'll add more, pero ang mahal, so dandahan. And then in Disney, I just love Mrs. Hot and Chip. Cutie. Hindi na nga parehas yung kulay nila eh. Matagal na kasi ito. Like, I got this when I was still single. And this one I bought in the new Disney store with my daughter. So ito yung favorite ko if I have, I was gonna say Chinese people, but we are all Chinese. So when I have my family over, this is my plate setting. So, yan, ganyan. And then I would have my gold cutlery. Then, of course, the Noritake is just the most beautiful, elegant, social. Ito yung social. Kailangan. Pero ang hirap kasi hugasan. Like, can't be in dishwasher. You have to really hand wash it slowly and carefully. And this is like only 12. So, hindi pwede may mabasag. So, I really just use it for special people. And then, this is from Nest. Sorry, I'm showing 3 because these are my favorite go-to. I actually think I need to add one more new set, Eric. Yeah, there. So this is the Golden Marble Chinoiserie. Classic Elegant. Oh, di ba may mga pangalan? And I found this Corel. So like, newly married couples, please, you need to have a Corel. Gusto ko yung binasag. Corel plate setting. Why? Because sobrang tibay niya. It's like the best. Of course, I want to show you. A lot of people were like super shocked with this. This is my faucet. But this actually turns into a chopping board also. I think you can use it basta yung plastic knife, pwede. And then you can remove this. Ayun. There. So you can wash, put it back. from Smeg. See? And it's such super clean, diba? Ang tingnan, space saving. And then we have my bar cabinet. I love wines. I like to collect wines. Sometimes nasisira nga sa dami. I think I have to adjust. Then we would have like bar stools here. These are from Huga. But of course, with a growing family, with Eric's mom is here also, we decided to convert this area to more dining space. Ta-da! Ready? 1, 2, 3. This year, we decided we need more dining space because we do love to host. We have parties here. And Eric loves aircon. So we merged two together and converted the outdoor lanai into an indoor lanai. So it took like, I think, 2 to 3 months renovation. So they removed the glass. They made the new walkway. So these are all new. These are metal already. Metal or aluminum? Yan yung aluminum, I think. And then this table I already had before pa. From Fashion Interiors. This is an actual rail wood from a train station that they converted into a table. This is one of my favorite spots to date. Not just because it's new, but I just feel like I am transported into a tropical restaurant. Yun yung vibe. So that's kind of what we wanted. That's why we wanted tall plants all over. And then, of course, the aircon is very important. Then we had to fix also the landscaping around the area. And we have dinners here. So, there you guys have it. This ends the tour of my clean kitchen to our newly renovated indoor pergola. Again, you know, it's a work in progress. So, slowly, we are going to change, I think, the table and the chairs. And, you know, bits and pieces. I really now, after this video, actually, I really want to buy another place setting. Feeling ko parang ang tagal na since I last bought. And if you guys have any suggestions on, you know, where I can get a table or what else do I need to add, please go share and comment down below. I'm very open to hearing your suggestions. You know, an interior designer friend told me once that an interior designer's house is never done or is never finished because you keep on changing it. You know, you have so many inspiration na ang bilis mong ma-affect in your house. And I'm not an interior designer, but I'm really passionate about home decors, home design, home furniture. So even my husband is, so he loves design. So actually, we're never finished with renovating, with changing upholstery, furniture. So keep watching, guys, this channel because I will share more bits and pieces about our mini renovations inside the house. Bye!